Dear people of Jersey City, of New Jersey, of New York, and abroad maybe, I'm Julie Narbet, the Executive Director of the Centre Pompidou in Paris, and I'm very pleased to launch officially tonight with the Night of Ideas, the prefiguration of the Centre Pompidou in Jersey City. Since its opening in 1977, the Centre Pompidou encourages new forms of dialogues and engagement, and we definitely share this ambition with the Night of Ideas.
We are here at the Night of Ideas at Hudson County Community College. This is a global event that takes place each year, hosted in the United States in over 20 cities by Villa Albertine and the Centre Pompidou. Features panel discussions, performances, art events, a lot of community gathering around topics that have to do with cities and the experience of living in cities.
My name is Beatriz Bofil. I'm with Bike JC. We are a local advocacy group. We advocate for safer streets here in Jersey City and trying to have better infrastructures. We want to make Jersey City the friendliest bike city in the world. We want to get everybody on a bike.
Here tonight on the Night of Ideas at Hudson County Community College, and we're so excited to be here. I live in Jersey City. I've been part of the art world for nearly 10 years here. And bringing the community together tonight, seeing Rashad Wright, as I'm pointing to him.
I got to fight to the day I die. I got to fight to the day I die. Go all in to the day I die. Go all in to the day I die. Jump real high to the day I die. Jump real high to the day I die. Be so strong to the day I die. Be so strong to the day I die. I gotta go down south.
What if in the beginning the Word was flesh, and the flesh became salt? Then what we saw and see in replay and rewind couldn't be contained in sound bites and pixels in high-definition video. There's not enough resolution, no understanding for this reclaiming of the salt of the earth to the sea.
This is a wonderful opportunity for Jersey City to celebrate our artists, our thinkers, our creators. And we are so excited that over 50% of the panelists, the artists, the creators, the thought leaders are from Jersey City and the state of New Jersey. We are going to be able to share with our regional community, our national community, and our international community what we already know, which is how special Jersey City is, and how in Jersey City we are so much more interested in building ideas, building community, and building love for each other as we celebrate this night.